Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dell. I hope that you're doing well and your families are doing well. This is going to be a really quick video because I did not put my makeup on before I left for work this morning. Too much was going on. So what I decided to do was show you how I can quickly get a decent little put together look in just a matter of minutes. Now I really have to hurry up because I have a meeting in just a few minutes. So let me go ahead and do that. But first of all, let me show you my makeup bag. Do not judge me. It is filthy. And this is not everything that I typically carry in my makeup bag, but I had to throw it in there today because I need to put my makeup on. And on top of that, I had to go to the Dollar Tree because I forgot. But anyway, real quick, thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I'm going to talk through this real quick. I hope that I put everything in here that I need to do my makeup. It's not going to be much. It's just going to kind of spruce up just a little bit, something that you've seen before, but I wanted to share it with you just in case you're in this predicament. So that's my spoolie, and I'm going to take this. I've shown that to you before. I hope I can see because it's kind of light in this office, and just make a nice little natural. When I'm at work, I don't do a full face like that anyway, so this will be real quick. I don't have to put the makeup on, but you know, when you're used to doing what you're doing, you do it. That, excuse me, this will be all for that. I don't want to go too deep on these eyebrows, do too much. Okay, and we're going to spread that out. So hopefully this won't take more than 10 minutes. Let's do this just a little bit more. And I didn't bring any makeup wipes just in case I make some errors, but I do have concealer. We'll use a little bit of that to clean up. But yeah, I hope your day is going well. Today is Wednesday, hump day. I hope I brought my flat brush. Please tell me I brought. If not, I don't think I did, y'all. It's okay. I don't have to do a whole bunch of a cleanup anyway. So I'm going to take, what can I use? Okay, we'll figure it out. This is the same concealer that I usually use or typically use, which is the Pro Conceal, the Fawn by LA Girl. And I'm going to use just a little bit, not too much, because remember, I don't have a brush to clean it up, and I don't want it sitting there. Should I do the top? I'm not going to put a whole bunch on. Let's just start there. I just don't want them to look like little caterpillars. I'm going to use this. I didn't want to use it, but I will use it today because I have no other choice. And as you can see, it's not doing too bad. Not too bad. So that's that one, and we'll blend everything in. It's not going to be a real fancy schmancy. Okay, did I bring my yep, I brought that so we can calm that down. So we're 4 minutes in, y'all. That's not bad. Okay, still may be kind of cloudy looking, but that's okay. I'm gonna go in and kind of minimize my my bags, my under eye puffiness. And this is gonna be with the Revlon that I usually use, the 5-in-1 concealer. It's the Skin Awakening. This is in 070. Oh, I'm getting ready to make an error, so I'm not going to use a lot, just enough just to, you know, my usual. I need to get some more of this because I really like it. Even when I'm using it for a heavier look, I just love it. I'm not going to do all that and all that. I'm just doing the main, what I need to do. I should have wetted it a little bit, but that's okay. I don't have all my gear, and I gotta use what I'm using. We're almost done, y'all. Then I'm gonna take my new palette, which is, if you're interested, it is the Ombre is what it's called, LA Colors, and it's from the Dollar Tree. And I just figured I'd get some neutral colors because I don't have, if I were at home, I'd try to put an orange, you know, to match my, yeah, I don't have time to do all that. So let me see if I can open this. I should have opened it. Beautiful, nice neutral colors. Beautiful colors, nice neutral colors. So I think I'm gonna use this on top of my eye. We got concealer on, or either this one. I may even use that. But the concealer would definitely have to be like one of these. The flat colors, those would be your transition color. You won't use the glitters for a transition color. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to use this one. You can't really see that much of it, or mix those two. So let's do that. See the little dust? That's why I blow it. And I'm actually mixing the brown in that orange or tan. Just something. Yep. Probably can't even tell, but just I would know it's there. And that's all I'm going to do with that. You can tell just a little bit that I have something on my face, right? Then I'm going to take this shimmer here, this one right here, and I'm going to put just a little bit over my eye, which is nice and pretty and natural looking. And not a lot, just a little bit to enhance. That's what we have. See, you can see the brown, and then you can see this color right here, which is really pretty. It's like a bronze. Simple. Then, let me see, did I bring a, I did not. I don't think I brought a color pencil, but that's okay. I can use this black, the same one that I'm going to use over top of my eye. This is a, I need this sharpened, but this is the retractable. Something simple. And I'm going to put the same eyeliner under my eye as well. Let's see. Got my mouth all gap wide open. Shoot, I'm used to being at my little table at the house. And that's that one. I figured if I can put, I'm not putting it on any lashes or anything, but I figure if I can put on glue for my eyelashes, I should be able to use a liquid liner, right? I'm going to try that. So I'm going to go under here with this black. I should do the brown, but typically I would do a color, which would probably, if I had brought my colors, it would have been like this green, but that is not the case, so I'm not going to worry about it. Now see how that makes me look? It'll bring out my eye color, but to me this just looks, it looks aged to me. Now I could be wrong. And it could be where I'm so used to wearing a color under my eye. So that's that. And all I'm going to do is put a little bit of, I don't need it, but I'm going to do it because I want to, just to get a little nice little fresh little look. Just a little bit. And we're almost done. That is it. I'm going to spray it with this Ruby Kisses setting spray. It's the matte. I ran out of my other one. Just so it could like get it kind of, you know, no powder, no nothing. This is just it. And I'm done. And then all I'm going to do is put on a lip. Blend this out. And I will be ready. Give my skin a little bit of glow. It was glowing before, not being vain or anything like that. I just like a little something extra. I didn't bring my big sponge, but I'm going to use this one. And that's what we have. I can go back under here because the spray caused me to look like a raccoon a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to add, I'm going to use my, I did bring this, the Indigo NICKA Beauty Supply. This is the color. It's almost like a purpley brown. Just a little bit, not much because I'm at work. And I also don't think I'm going to do like a gloss. I have one, but if I do put it on, it's not going to be a lot. And I'm using this Bordeaux Bliss from the Dollar Tree that I used in a most recent short, just to let you see what that looks like. That's it. Let me see what is on it. Like right here. Okay, I'm gonna use that. I like that purple and the pink together. It's just so pretty. Now, if I wasn't just grabbing for stuff this morning, it would have been like an orange. But I'm gonna put just a little bit on. Now I'm gonna put my stuff back in my bag. I am gonna put just a little bit of mascara, just a little bit, not much. just to complete the look. And put my stuff back in my bag. And go up in here late like I don't know what is going on. No, I'm not late. I think that looks perfect. What do you think? And that's 15 minutes in. It's probably because of all my talking. I'll put my stuff in this bag. And that is it. Just wanted to come in and say hello for first and foremost, but wanted to let you see that you don't have to do too much to get like a little glowy look if you're rushing like I am. I need to find me a waterproof black eyeliner, but that will do for now. So that is the look. I hope that you like the video. Let me know what you think in the comments. I want to see you real soon. Thank you, y'all. We're almost at 20,000. Thank you so much for your love, your support, all of your sweet comments. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will talk to you soon. Let me get in this meeting, girl. Bye.